Transform your fitness routine with efficient, space-saving equipment designed to deliver full-body workouts at home. Best home exercise machine options combine strength, cardio, and smart features to help you stay consistent and motivated every day with reliable performance and durability. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. YOSUDA Magnetic Exercise Machine. The YOSUDA Magnetic Exercise Machine is a dependable home rowing solution designed for users who value durability, quiet operation, and consistent performance. Backed by more than 20 years of manufacturing experience and trusted by over 3 million households, YOSUDA positions this rower as a long-term fitness investment rather than a short-term purchase. The machine features a 12-pound flywheel paired with a high-quality magnetic resistance system, delivering smooth and controlled resistance suitable for beginners easing into fitness routines as well as experienced users seeking steady cardio and strength conditioning. One of its strongest advantages is the dual silent system, which eliminates contact-based friction and significantly reduces noise, making it ideal for apartments, shared spaces, or early morning workouts. Structurally, the 5mm thick commercial-grade steel frame supports users up to 350 pounds and accommodates a wide height range, ensuring stability and safety during intense sessions. The integrated LCD monitor clearly tracks 6 essential workout metrics, helping users monitor progress without distraction. Number 2. Sunny Resistance Exercise Machine. The Sunny Resistance Exercise Machine is built for users who want an affordable, compact rowing solution that still delivers a full-body workout. Using smooth hydraulic resistance, this machine effectively engages major muscle groups, including legs, glutes, back, arms, shoulders, and core, all while maintaining a low-impact motion that is gentle on joints. Its adjustable 12-level resistance system allows users to fine-tune workout intensity, making it accessible for beginners and adaptable for gradual strength and endurance improvements. A key highlight is the complimentary access to the Sunny Fit app, which offers trainer-led workouts, scenic virtual tours, progress tracking, and interactive challenges without any membership fees. Weighing just over 22 pounds, the machine is exceptionally lightweight and easy to move, store, or transport, making it well-suited for small apartments or multi-purpose living spaces. The compact frame takes up minimal room when not in use, while the integrated device holder keeps phones securely positioned for entertainment or guided workouts. Overall, the Sunny Resistance Exercise Machine offers practical functionality, digital support, and portability, making it a solid choice for casual users focused on convenience and consistent movement rather than heavy resistance training.
Number 3. The UMAY Elliptical Exercise Machine. The UMAY Elliptical Exercise Machine is a desk-friendly pedal exerciser designed primarily for seated workouts, rehabilitation, and low-impact daily movement. Ideal for home or office use, it allows users to stay active while working, reading, or watching television, transforming sedentary time into productive exercise. This model is especially suitable for seniors and individuals with limited mobility, offering both auto and manual modes to match different fitness needs. Auto mode features preset programs that vary speed and direction automatically, while manual mode allows precise control over workout time, speed levels, and forward or backward motion. The bi-directional pedaling helps target both front and back muscle groups in the ankles and thighs, promoting better circulation and muscle engagement. An easy-to-read LCD monitor tracks essential metrics such as time, distance, counts, and calories burned, providing immediate feedback during each session. The included remote control eliminates the need to bend over, enhancing comfort and safety for elderly users. Designed strictly for seated use, the UMAY Elliptical prioritizes gentle movement, accessibility, and convenience, making it a practical solution for light exercise, recovery routines, and maintaining daily mobility.
Number 4. FOUSAE Resistance Exercise Machine. The FOUSAE resistance exercise machine is engineered to replicate the smooth, stable feel of professional gym equipment within a home environment. Its rear drive system and balanced 16-pound flywheel deliver consistent momentum and minimize wobble, even during higher intensity sessions. This design supports a natural stride path that reduces joint strain while maintaining effective cardiovascular and lower body engagement. With 16 levels of magnetic resistance, the machine offers broad customization, accommodating everything from rehabilitation-focused workouts to challenging fat-burning routines. Resistance transitions are seamless, allowing users to progress steadily without disruptive changes in motion. One of the most notable features is the ultra-quiet magnetic drive system, operating below 20 decibels, which makes it ideal for shared living spaces or late-night exercise. The near-silent performance allows users to stay focused without disturbing others. Overall, the FOUSAE resistance exercise machine emphasizes stability, quiet operation, and adaptability, making it well-suited for users seeking a refined, gym-like elliptical experience at home without compromising comfort or noise control.
Number 5. Sunny Mesh Exercise Machine. The Sunny Mesh Exercise Machine is a recumbent elliptical designed to deliver low-impact, full-body workouts with advanced digital support. Its electromagnetic resistance system offers 16 adjustable levels, enabling users to tailor workout intensity for recovery sessions, steady cardio, or strength-focused training. Built-in workout variety is a major advantage, with 12 pre-programmed routines and the ability to create up to 4 personalized user programs for customized fitness plans. The recumbent design provides excellent joint protection, making it suitable for users with mobility concerns or those prioritizing comfort during longer sessions. Simultaneous use of movable handles and oversized foot pedals engages both upper and lower body muscles, while independent use allows targeted training. Free access to the Sunny Fit app enhances the experience with trainer-led workouts, scenic rides, progress tracking, and community challenges at no additional cost. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.